Hello everyone, how are you doing? In today's video, we will be talking about punctuation. So, what is punctuation? Let us see. So, punctuation is the system of symbols that we use to separate sentences and parts of sentences and to make their meaning clear. Each symbol is called a punctuation mark. We have three main types of punctuation symbols. The first one is exclamation point, the second one is a period, and the third one is a question mark. So let us first learn about a period. So, what is a period? A period tells you when to stop. It is found at the end of a sentence. While reading, your voice drops. An exclamation point. An exclamation mark goes at the end of a sentence to express excitement, astonishment, or other strong emotions. While reading, your voice goes up. And then we have the question mark. So, what does a question mark represent? A question mark goes at the end of an asking sentence. While reading, your voice goes up and pauses for response. So, let us learn how to use all these punctuation marks through an example. We have the first sentence that is a telling sentence. I help people. And we have a period at the end. We have the second sentence, where are you? And we have a question mark because it is an asking sentence. We have the third sentence, you scared me, and we have an exclamation point because it shows a sense of astonishment. So, I hope you enjoyed learning about punctuation marks in this video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.